Hey everyone, how are you doing? And welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This week I'm going to be covering one of the new features in Teams, which is the transcription feature, and it's something that's becoming increasingly popular. So for quite some time now, we've all been able to use the meeting notes feature, which is in the three dots here. Now, what's really good about the meeting notes feature is that once you've finished a meeting, at any point in the future, you can go back and find your meeting notes by going back to that meeting in your calendar in Microsoft Teams and opening it up and finding the meeting notes there. So if you want to refer back to what's been said in that meeting and any of the notes that have been taken, you can go back and do it there. But let's say you're lazy like me, or let's say you're speaking in the meeting and you don't want to be creating notes while you're speaking. Microsoft have added this Start Transcription button. Now, when I click that, the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to tell everybody in the meeting that transcriptions have started and everything they say is being recorded. And you can see here on the right-hand side of the meeting pane, Teams is literally transcribing everything I say. So at the moment I'm speaking, if ET Test started to speak, which is this account here, then it would pop up with their icon on the left-hand side. Now, what happens with those meeting transcriptions is at the end of the meeting, they get popped into the meeting on, so you can go back into your calendar, double click the meeting, click on this recordings and transcripts tab, and literally everything that you've said in that meeting is here for people to read. And what's better is that you can click this download button and download that as a document, a Word document. So that means that you can grab a Word document, you can click Control F to find in Microsoft Word and literally type the sentence or the key word that you're looking to go back to in that meeting and be able to find that part of the meeting that you want to read notes on and what was said. So really nice, useful feature in Microsoft Teams. It should be available to all of your tenancies right now. And as ever, if you need any help getting to grips with Office 365 or need us to help you with implementations and migrations, then give us a shout. And otherwise, I'll see you next week. Have a great week, everybody.